You hear, buddy?
Yes.
What do you think?
No answer.
The monopoly is good for the society or bad for the
It's bad for the society.
Bad. Okay, Pinyu,
I also think it's bad.
Rodrigo,
Bad, sir.
Sunho.
Bad, sir.
Okay, Subhan. I think I asked twice. Sunho, sorry. Subhan.
I also think bad.
Very nice. So all of you guys agree that monopoly is bad, but somehow some of you guys still have confusion why this is bad. Look at that. You are a buyer. Would you want to pay higher prices? Answer is
No.
no. It means monopoly or monopolist, which is monopoly company, they exploit buyers, right? So they set their price higher than every total cost, or they set their price greater than marginal cost as well. So look at our graph here. So this is the MC, right? So even this, the price is even greater than MC. So even the price is greater than average total cost. Let me just remove it. So price is greater than every total cost, and price is also greater than MC. So price is greater than both curves, marginal cost and the average total cost. So if you look at the graph here, so we have two cost curves and two revenue curves, right? Two revenue curves are demand curve and marginal revenue. Two cost curves are the average total cost and marginal cost, right? So in case of monopoly, price is greater than average total cost and price is greater than MC, right? So they are charging higher price. So it means some buyers who can afford to buy this product, due to this high price, they cannot buy. So recall our discussion regarding demand. And what we talked about demand? We talked about that demand is ability and willingness to buy. So they have ability, yes, they have willingness to buy, yes, but due to this high price, price is greater than MC and price is greater than average total cost, they cannot buy. So it means for a society in which both buyer and seller lives, sellers try to exploit buyers, and some buyers, they cannot buy this product. So it's not a good way to organize market activity, or it's not good for society, right? So those, it means those who are buying this product, they are paying higher prices, right? So that higher prices that they are paying, that could be used to buy other things so that society can be benefited. It means, so monopolies are not utilizing proper resources, right? So it means monopoly is creating dead weight loss on the society. That's just the terminology of saying what I have explained all these through 10 to 20 minutes, right? Monopoly create deadweight loss. Why? Because it is not a good way to organize market activity, and it's not good way for society, right? And let's just read this kind of discussion here on the next slide. So unlike competitive firm, the monopoly charges a price even above marginal cost. From the standpoint of view of customers, this high price makes monopoly undesirable because customers are going to be exploited here through high prices. That is not justifiable. So from the standpoint of view of owners, the high prices makes monopoly very desirable because they want to maximize their profit, and they will set the price according to the profit, not according to the customers, according to the profit. That's it. So seller wants monopoly, yes. Buyers want monopoly, no. Right? In this context, it's not good for the society because all parties, they are not happy. Because the monopoly sets its price above marginal cost, it produces a block between the customer's willingness to pay and producer's cost. So we call that wedges or deadweight loss. So this block or wedge causes the quantity sold to fall short of the social optimum, which is required by the society. For example, society required 200 products, 200 units of the product, but monopoly is selling 150. It means monopoly is creating shortages to play with the high price. When there is a shortage in the market, price goes up. When price goes up, they have set their target profit, maximum profit, so their profit going to go up. So monopolies are creating deliberate shortages, and it's not on social optimum point. So that's why monopoly is creating deadweight loss. Understand? Boys and girls, please respond. So, okay, in order to make you understand this example, this graph, let me share whiteboard here. So everyone can see the board here.
Yes.
So this is the average total cost. This is the MC. So this is the price, and this is the MR. Okay. Now tell me here which curve looks like supply curve, because demand curve we have price line here, P. So recall our discussion. The MC is a replica for supply. So recall our discussion regarding the market equilibrium. Market equilibrium is where we have to produce where demand is equal to supply. So this is supply, this is demand. So we need to produce here according to market equilibrium, but we are producing to maximize MC is equal to MR here. profit, right? So look at the price. Price is this point. If you quantify that, so this is the price, maximum price. And if we look at the equilibrium point of view, the price is it should be decreased and quantity should be increased. But monopolists, they want to increase their profit, so they are producing at Q max to maximize their profit and charging P max price, right? So it means this triangle here, sorry, this triangle we call this deadweight loss. So now look at over here. So here only missing is every total cost because we don't need that. So that's why the book, your book, they don't plot this one. So don't worry about this strange appearance because they didn't just put the every total cost just to want to show you where is the deadweight loss. So ideally we have to produce where MC is equal to MR and charging the price here to maximize monopolist profit. But according to concept, we need to produce where supply is equal to demand. So it means we are short of this quantity. That's why monopoly is not good for the society because it creates a deadweight loss or wedge or burden on the society. Right? Everybody understand that? Miria, Marilyn, Rodrigo, Paulo?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's, so don't be just confused
Yes.
with these strange looking pictures. Just plot all these ones. So only missing here because we are basing our discussion on supply and demand. So every total cost does not replicate supply or demand, so we don't plot it here. So don't just worry about this. Okay? So that's why this is undesirable by the society. So deadweight loss is the area between demand curve and the MC. MC is a replica for supply curve. So